In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GoDaddy website. Whether you're creating a site for your business, portfolio, or personal blog, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Let's start by heading over to GoDaddy's website. You're going to want to either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you don't have it yet. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the page and click on Websites or Website Builder. This will guide you to where you can begin crafting your website. The next step is choosing the right template for your site. GoDaddy offers a variety of pre-designed templates tailored to different business types and styles. Take some time to browse through these and find one that represents your vision. Choose a template that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional for your purposes. Remember, the template you pick will set the tone for your site, so make sure it's a good fit. Once you've decided on a template, it's time to customize your site. This is where you make it truly yours. Start by adding essential personal touches, like your logo and the color scheme that aligns with your brand. Next, jump into the text sections. You'll want to replace any placeholder text with your own content, keeping it relevant and engaging for your intended audience. Take advantage of this opportunity to add any necessary pages like contact, about, or services to provide visitors with all the information they might need. Now, let's focus on images. High-quality visuals are a must for any website, as they help convey your message and maintain interest. Replace stock images with your own or choose from GoDaddy's library if needed. Ensure your images are clear, properly sized, and relevant to the content they're accompanying. After getting your visuals in place, direct your attention to functionality and navigation. Ensuring that your website is easy to navigate is key to keeping users engaged. Test out your links and menu items to confirm they all work properly and lead to the correct locations without broken links or errors. With the visual and functional aspects laid out, it's time to preview your masterpiece. Before publishing, it's vital to check your website's appearance on both desktop and mobile devices. Adjust any sections that might need tweaking to ensure that your site is responsive and user-friendly across platforms. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, hit that Publish button. Congratulations, your GoDaddy website is now live for the world to see. Keep in mind that building a website is an ongoing process. Feel free to return to GoDaddy's platform to update content or make changes whenever necessary to keep your site fresh and relevant. And there you have it, a fully functional GoDaddy website ready to serve your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Happy website building!